Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy M22 and let me share with you how to activate automatic system updates on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings and now let's scroll down to the very bottom to the developer options. If you cannot find them, no worries, just check our tutorial of how to enable them and come back to this video. So let's enter the developer options, and here all we have to do is simply find the option which is called automatic system updates, and just tap on this switcher right here, and from now on, since it is activated, your device will apply updates when it will be restarted. Obviously you can turn it off whenever you want to. So actually this is it. This is how to activate auto system updates in your Samsung Galaxy M22. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.